With this you can create stunning 3D worlds by just dropping one image, and it will create you a 3D world. It's simple, you can just drop one image or type a prompt and you will receive a beautiful 3D environment that you can use in different situations. You can even create the environment for your house and see how it will look. You can also, of course, create something that you will do in the Blender, but it will be just quicker and you don't actually need to spend a lot of time on it. Okay, let's explore what people might actually on this website, and then we will go and create something that I would like. So first we have this image made by someone with this nickname, so let's click and see. We are loaded to this world. We can like just look around and move like that and actually see what's going on here. For now, yeah, it's not high resolution, but considering that it's made from one image and it's kinda impressive. We can also view it in VR, but well, I don't have a VR station. We can see also controls. Yeah, let's check something different. For example, this building. And yeah, and the cool part is that you can actually just fly and see how it all looks, and you can see all these artifacts here. Let's see some closed environment like this room. Well, and in closed environment, it doesn't look that bad. It's actually interesting. Wait, we actually have a second room. It is interesting. Yeah, the text is not English here, it's not even the language. But if we look like here, the details are very strong. Like, it even looks like an image. So it's kinda impressive. But just if you will go like that, we have a full 3D room. And remember that it all just came from one image. So, like, imagine in the future what this AI could do. And by the way, while you're on this website, your GPU will be loading a lot. I'll just simply click create and we can just simply type what we want, or we can just drop image or video or panorama. But also we have 3D input, so if you click here you can just drop your 3D layout here. We need to upgrade to chisel mode, so probably this feature is not available for free for now. Yeah, so we will just test the 2D input. And by the way, you can create up to 4 3D worlds for free, so it's kinda nice. If you are prompting with words, you can also click advanced settings, but advanced settings are not available for free. Okay, we have different models here, we can't change it. Anyway, we have some presets how it will look, but let's just drop an image. Well, let's drop this image from one of the future videos that will come up on this channel and just click create. So it's just basically a green grass and blue sky, and let's see what's gonna happen, how it will look. I know it's simple, but it's better to start with simple task and then create something that has a lot of details. So yeah, see you when it's done. For now, unfortunately, the world is not loading. It was 3 days since I created a request for it, and the result doesn't appear even now, so